Are you an English learner who is struggling to understand the difference between all the types of conditional sentence in English? This video is for you. This is a quick and easy guide with lots of examples to help you understand what we mean by zero, first and second conditional sentences. We also have third conditional sentences, which are a little bit more complicated, so I'll make a separate video to explain those in more detail. Today's video is a short one because I'm getting ready to go on holiday. I am going to make some videos about my holiday. I'll tell you more about that at the end. Starting with the most simple form of conditional sentence, the zero conditional. This sentence starts with if, but really we're just stating a fact. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. If you touch fire, you get burned. If you drop something, it falls down. Zero conditional sentences are things which are always true. First conditional sentences are for talking about the future, but we're not talking about imaginary dreams and wishes. With the first conditional, we're talking about things which could realistically happen. For example, if it snows this winter, I will build a snowman. I live in England, it will probably snow this winter, and if it snows, I will build a snowman. This is something which could realistically happen. Another example, if I save enough money, I will go on holiday. I have a job, I could save some money, and if I save enough, I will go on holiday. That's another thing which could realistically happen in the future. First conditional sentences use the present tense for the first half of the sentence, and that's followed by will do something. If it snows this winter, if I save enough money, if it rains tomorrow. It snows, I save, it rains. These are all in the present tense. And that's followed by will do something. I will build a snowman. I will go on holiday. I will wear my raincoat. You can also use won't in the second half of these sentences. Remember, won't is just short for will not. So you're still using will, it's just the negative form. If it rains tomorrow, she won't go to the beach. She will not go to the beach. Second conditional sentences are also used to talk about the future, but in a less realistic way. It's things that we imagine, perhaps your dreams or wishes, but something you are not planning to do, or at least not soon. For example, if I had more time, I could learn more languages. You can see that in this type of sentence, we're using the simple past tense at the beginning, followed by could do something. You can also use would do. I could do or I would do. If I had more time, I would learn more languages. Or I could learn more languages. We can also use the negative form of would, which is wouldn't or would not. If I spoke Japanese fluently, I wouldn't need a teacher. If I spoke is the past form of to speak. If I spoke Japanese fluently, I wouldn't need a teacher. And finally, if I lived in Scotland, I could visit my friend Benny more often. I am taking a trip to Scotland starting tomorrow. I'm going to record the journey. I know you all really enjoy my daily life videos. So I'm going to make a video of our journey from England to Scotland, and I'll also be recording a video with Benny while we're there, so you can hear the differences between English and Scottish accents. They are very, very different, even though we speak the same language and the two countries are joined together. Look out for that video in the next couple of weeks, and I'll see you soon. Bye!